Hey guys, welcome back to Sophia's Nursery. I'm Sophia, and these are my two little sisters, Addie and Olivia. Today we're going to be showing you guys the dolls they got for Christmas. So let's see. How about Olivia goes first? Because I feel like Addie always goes first. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Do you need help? Uh-huh. Okay, let's see. Gonna open it like this. Should I open mine? When we're done. There we go. Pull this out. Okay, Olive, take it out. Pull it. Good job. Now let's flip it and rip this. Like open it. Pull. No, not on here. Here. Pull it. Like this. Look. Okay. Look. Not yet. Pull it out. Aw, look at her little feet. So these are her feet. She's full body vinyl. Let's see. She has the same arms and legs as Rory. Look, her arms. Okay. Now let's take the whole thing out. There you go, her head. There we go. Okay, let's open it. 3, 2, 1. Aww. And what's her name? Millie. Millie. She decided to name her Millie. She's super cute. She has painted hair. It looks really nice. Like light brown. Yeah. She has blue eyes. And she has really chubby cheeks. She's so cute. And she is full body vinyl, so she has the whole body is vinyl for her. So yeah, she has a really cute outfit too. It's like beige with like flowers on it. And she's 20 inches tall, and although she's full body vinyl, she's pretty heavy. Is she heavy, girl? Do you like her? Yeah? Aww, are you kissing your baby? Baby Millie? Okay, now it's Addie's turn. Okay, can you open it? Okay, let's wait. Okay, pull her out. Good job. You're opening it so fast. Do you need help? No, you open it like this. Okay, take her out. Okay, so these are her little feet. She has really tiny feet. They're so cute. Aww. And she has really cute pants with hearts on them. Okay, let's see. Now we need her arms. There we go. And looks like she has the same arms as Mia. That's cute, yeah? Mm-hmm. Okay, ready? She has her bow. Okay, ready? 3, nope, the other side, this way. 2, 1, open! Take the diaper off. Aww. And what is her name? Millie. No. This is Kaya. Millie. Her name is Kaya? Yeah? And this is Millie. No. I'm a dad. This is baby Kaya, right? Well, she named her Kaya. She also has painted hair. It's about the same color as Millie. She also has blue eyes and little eyelashes. Her mouth is so cute. It's like almost open. She has a double chin. And a really cute outfit. She has a white shirt on top with purple or brown hearts, and then brown pants with white hearts. And she does have a cloth body. She's not full body vinyl. She has a cloth body. It's really nice. And she is about 18 inches. So yeah, she has such tiny little ears. But yeah, do you like your baby? Yes? Okay.
It's time for diaper, baby.
Oh, you're gonna put her diaper on?
It's time to her diaper.
They're changing their dolls.
Changing the doll diaper.
Do you need help? Okay, put it down. You guys are so silly. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more like this. Bye!
Bye.
Say bye with your babies. Bye! See you next time.
See you next time.